What is up, crypto enthusiasts? I hope you are having a great day. I'm your host Balint, and in this short tutorial I will show you how to transfer an NFT from your wallet to someone else. So to do this, I'm using the OpenSea website and using the MetaMask Chrome extension to store my NFTs. So after logging in with MetaMask, you will see your profile here. Let's click on your profile and you should see your NFT collection right here. And in this case, I want to transfer this Frank Stella Geometries NFT. Click on the three dots. Let's click on transfer. And right here, you need to enter the address of the other party where you want to send your NFT to. I copy pasted the address, but let's just double check. In this case, I'm gonna be sending it to myself. I always check the first two digits and the last two, 0x0x E6. It seems to be fine. So let's click on transfer, and we will need to pay a gas fee for this, which is in this case around $3 US, but let's make it quicker for the sake of this video, and let's click confirm. It's started to process and the transfer is completed in a couple of seconds, as you can see. But another way would be to send the NFT is to go on your wallet within MetaMask, click on your NFTs, choose the one that you want to send, click on the same one, and right here you won't see sense since we just sent it to a different wallet. But right here this one is cannot be sent, but maybe this one, for example, you can see you can send this one, and after clicking you just need to enter the address as we just did before, and the process is the same. But now let's check if we got the NFT to the wallet that we sent. So I'm just changing my other wallet within MetaMask. As you can see, it's a completely different wallet. Let's click on my profile, and you can see that the Frank Stella Geometries NFT was received successfully. This is how you can send an NFTs to someone else. Please always double check their address, and hope you guys this video was helpful for you. Make sure to hit that thumbs up button. See you guys next time for another tutorial.